What's the point of a letter if it's 0?
Has to be 0. The point of a letter is so that we can say any number would work there. But any number wouldn't work here. If I said x was 3 and I changed 0 to 5, that's 15, not 0. Everybody getting it? Okay, moving on. Did you go get a prize?
No.
Are you're not risking the stickers anymore? Oh, you are. You're going for it a second time.
I want a rocket ship.
What is it? Tell me it's a cupcake.
Oh, it's a donut, and it says "Do not worry."
Oh, like it has a picture of a donut and then it says worry on the bottom. Donut worry.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
That is. Yeah. I have it.
That'd be a problem if you had a fear of donuts, though.
I want to fill this whole thing up now,
Thank you.
except for where it says math.
I'll be here all day. Multiplicative inverse property. What do we feel like that one? Now, to remind you, look up. The inverse here was x and a negative x equals 0. Multiplicative inverse doesn't equal 0 at the end. It always equals 1. So what I want you to think right now is, what could I multiply 1/2 by to get to 1? It's a hard thing to think about. What could I multiply 1/2 by to get to 1? You can't? Stop being so smart. Hands up. If nobody will answer it, I'll let the people who already answered go. Hands up. What can you multiply 1/2 by to get to 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5.
5. Isn't it 2?
Yes. In fact, it's 2 over 1 if that gives you a hint. How would you get rid of 3/4? What could you multiply by?
0.5.
I can't answer.
So 3/4 times something equals 1. And here's how I'm looking at it. Look up. 1 times 2 is 2, right? I'm going to multiply across. And 2 times 1 is 2, so that'd be 2 over 2, which is 1. Same number on the bottom, same number on the top. So what could I multiply 3/4 by?
I don't know.
So are you going to have problems with this part here?
Indeed.
Okay. 4/3. Why would it be 4/3? Yes. Opposite. Okay, so wait. 3/4 times 4/3. Everybody look up. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. You see how it's going to be 1?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, back to you. Nice job, Trace. Back to you. Trace, go get a prize. Back to you. You have to tell me how to do it with variables. Look, 1 over 2, 2 over 1. 3 over 4, 4 over 3. How can I write this generally?
Can you write variables and fractions for me?
Uh-huh.
Okay. A over B times B over A.
Yes. A over B times B over A equals...
1.
It always equals 1, because this would be A times B over B times A, which they're the same thing on the top and the bottom no matter what. Go get a prize, sir. Trace, what did you get? You got a sticker? What's the sticker say? Oh, you got one. Smart. Conservative. I like it. Oh, you going for it?
Yeah.
What's it going to be?
Rocket ship. Donut.
Yeah.
It just says yeah?
Yeah.
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 Nice. Where are you going to put it? You going to put it on your folder or on yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish I could put stickers on themselves.
All right. Last two that we are doing is called the associative property.
That sounds familiar.
I think that's on.
Uh-huh. And the commutative property. And I'm going to write these ones out for you. So copy down for me, please. A plus B plus C is the same thing as A plus B plus C, but notice that my parentheses changed. And this works for addition and multiplication. So if I add two numbers, let's say it was 1 plus 2 plus 3, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 over here. Notice I'm putting parentheses around the different spots. What does that mean? What am I changing?
The order.
The order in which I do it. So what's 1 plus 2?
3.
3, and 3 plus 3 is
6.
6. And over here is 1 plus 2 plus 3 first. 5. So what the associative property is saying is that you can add things or multiply things in any order you want. That it won't change it. Will this work for subtraction?
No.
No. What's 7 minus 3?
4.
4. What's 3 minus 7? Negative 4. Those are different things.
Unless it's absolute value.
Okay, that last one is not absolute values. The last one is the way, let me make sure I have this right. The order in which you do it. And the other is, I always get confused about the difference between these two. Oh, that you can change the actual order of them. Okay, so this one just changes the parentheses, and this one will change like, so it'd be A plus B plus C is the same thing as C plus A plus B. So they're both associated with order. This one keeps the letters in the same order, but you just change in which way you do it. And this one changes the order, the actual physical order of the numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 2 plus 1 plus 3. Move them around any way you want. All right, your homework is, and this homework is due on Thursday. You will not get a work day for this. And this is very rare that I don't give a work day, but I think you're going to understand why when you see the assignment. The homework is page 33, numbers 35 through 44. All you have to do for this assignment, wait, did you just complain? Oh, I haven't explained that yet. I mean, you tell me if I'm wrong. And you can tell me honestly, but I think I'm pretty reasonable when it comes to lengths of assignments. I'm not being crazy. I'm being reasonable. And if anybody wants to complain about my length of my assignments, I will absolutely increase it. With a smile on my face. Because I don't know if you remember, but I enjoy the suffering of children. Okay? All right. So, look at these problems. Yep.
When did you say this?
Thursday, after the day we have off. All right, look at it. The first one is 8 equals 8 plus x. The first thing you have to do is figure out the value of x. Everybody tell me, what's the value of x here? 0. And then you have to tell the property that was used.
Oh.
Which is?
The additive identity.
Additive identity. So your answer would be x equals 0 and additive identity for the first one.
Well,
And that's how easy they are. There's 10 of them.
that is, okay.
Okay, you've got the rest of the class to work on this? What's the other thing that's due on Thursday or Friday if you're FFA?
The sheet.
The sheet, get the sheet signed. That is important. Ms. Dahlstrom, do you want to look up homerooms for the stats kids, or do you want to just give it to them on Thursday?
Some of them are in that.
Like the float thing? Same thing that they're, oh, FFA. Yeah, good point. Okay.